Morning guys, just quickly look at the volume delta and we can see we've got a little bit of confusion from the crowd as that was so much. We've got EN for sell and we've got EN for buy, and we had the RBNZ last night, and so there's obviously a little bit of confusion. They went really long New Zealand dollar going into that risk event, so I think one of them's going to have to break, and it looks like it's probably going to be this one, because what's going to happen is that we're going to see an overtake here. So you've got 28.6 for the Euro Kiwi, 27.4. So therefore, one of them is lying. They can't be buy and sell. So it looks like this is probably going to overtake for a sell. So that's going to trigger, pending that number increases in so much as that they're going to add long. If they add long, it's going to be more of a sell. So look for UJ sell idea, and so therefore that's strong buy. The biggest green is that, so yeah, that's fine. So it looks like EN for a buy, and then that sell idea is probably going to be negated, and it's going to be overtaken by dollar yen. Come to the dollar yen chart, and we've got some resistance overhead. So we can draw a box. Where are we? There we go, rectangle. And we know that this is going to be a decent resistance. We'll change that colour to red. And so therefore we've got some resistance, and we've got another one up here as well. So really you could look for a short with a stop up here, 152.50. It's quite wide, but you know, this is a good resistance, and then we'll have confirmation on the volume changes. So currently what the bot's doing is opening a sell and a buy. So the QDB bot 2.0 is not looking for a 1R, it's looking for slightly more than a 1R. So in case we ever get into the weird circumstance scenario where we have a buy and a sell, which is really weird if you think about it, at least it won't be properly hedged. We're not going to go for a 1R, it's like 1.1R. So it'll buy and sell, but there'll be like an overlap. We'll make a little bit of profit, but one of them is lying, and I think what it is that dollar yen is going to overtake. Keep an eye on that. Be careful with the dollar yen, because it can be play havoc as well. It can be a bit naughty, and it moves very aggressively, so you've got to know your sizes. It may even be better to wait for a pump into that box, and you get a better risk to reward. So something like this. So if you did have the patience for this, we waited for some price action in here. See that you can have a stop here, and you could target that low. You got a 4R. You know, you're looking for some price reaction in that box, and you're looking for a sell there. That could be better as opposed to something like that, entering now at market, and then you have your stop at that low. It's a 1R. So what you're prepared to risk is equal to your reward. So it's not that great. So it may be better for something like that. Get a better risk to reward. So keep an eye on your sheet. Any questions, let me know, and I wish you a good day. And don't forget we've got FOMC minutes as well. So that's important, and that may be moving the dollar as we go into that risk event. So we'll have to see how we go.